Okay, hi all. Okay, in this video, we are going to see something related to database concept deep. Okay, it's part of Pega only. Don't worry why he is suddenly talking about database and SQL queries and all. It's part of Pega only. Normally, in Java or Python development, whenever we want to create a table, okay, we need to contact database administrators. Even Java or Python developers, they don't have access or they don't know how to create tables and all. Maybe they know, but they'll contact DB administrators only to create. But in Pega, we can directly do it from PRPC, Pega Rules Process Commander. Okay, we don't need to hit the commands on SQL Server and all. We can create tables by our own. I'll show how to create tables and all. Okay, but basically, I'll tell you a database is an organized collection of data stored and accessed electronically. It allows you to store, manage, retrieve, and manipulate data. Manipulate means update, like that, retrieve, select, store means insert. These comments you already know, I think so. I don't want to go deep. Okay, row is called okay, table collection of rows and columns. Row is called attribute and sorry, column is called attribute or property, or row is called single record of data entry. So whatever the data we are entering, it will store in rows according with the columns. Okay, primary key. A primary key is a column in a table that uniquely identifies each row in the table. Primary cannot be modified. It's a unique identity. Okay, like a student ID and all like that. Student ID, vehicle ID, like that. Okay, keep primary key is unique. It cannot be null. There can be only one primary key in a table. Okay, we cannot make more than one primary keys. Okay, these are the some basic commands. Okay, select, insert, how to use it. Okay, update, you can directly use like this, delete, create a table, we will use that. Okay, to create a table and all, but here we will not use those commands. We can directly create from drag and drop, as you know. Okay, okay, how to create a table, and we'll go for this requirement, creating our own table in Pega. For that we need to create a data class. Okay, from there we can create it. But before that, what kind of table I am going to create now is, I'll show you. Okay, in this my requirement is, I'm working on some insurance kind of application, right? So there they want to, uh, the insurance company want to show what kind of insurances they have. Okay, what kind of insurances they have, they want to show, like see, they want to show that you can select from there, like what kind of insurance, short description and long description. Right, depends on the, if it comes to health insurance, based on the, if it is cancer for some amount, if the patient is already having some diseases, some amount, like that. So same like that, vehicles also having some criterias, vehicle coverage. So we are going to create a one coverage class. Okay, coverage data class with properties, coverage code, and coverage short description, and coverage long description. I'll show you the table, you will get an a idea. So I'm going to create a table which will be accessible but not modify, but not to modify. Okay, users can see the table, but users will not enter any data into the table. It is only to select the data. Users can select the data from the table but not edit the data in the table, because user are not providing what kind of insurances needs to be given by the company. Company will give kind of insurances, users can select from there, from the given options. Okay, like that. But users cannot ask like, give these kind of insurance, give those kind of insurance. So insurance company already provided kind of insurances, so user can select from the available insurances. So those kind of tables are called master tables. Master tables can access but not be editable or modified by the users. Okay, transaction tables are modified by the users, like giving a vehicle details, giving customer details. This data will store into transaction tables. These can be modified by the users. So not modified means they can give the data, they can insert the data. Modification and all we will do that. Not every time they will not access the database, right? We will do, our database administrator will do. But the thing is, in transaction tables users can enter the data, but master table user can use the data but not modify the data, like that. So now we are going to create master table only. That's what I'm trying to say here. Okay, I'll show you the example, then you will understand. I'll give this thing. Okay, let me log in first. I'll use parallelly chat GPT. Why I'm using chat GPT, you will understand now. Okay, need 10 records for, it will give the data. We'll see what kind of insurances they have. With the description it will give. Okay, this is the insurance id, some id. If you select this id, the policy, applicable for coverage damages to others. If you are at fault in an accident, your fault, this is one insurance type. Coverages, repair replacement cost if your car is damaged in a collision. If is collision, so different types of insurances. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. If it is different types of insurance already defined by the company, you can select from here, I want to apply for this kind of insurance, some amount they'll mention. Okay, like that. This is the id for this kind of insurance, this is the id for this kind of insurance. This data we will use, okay, to update. Okay. Okay, this kind of table we will create now. Okay. Okay, I'll use this data later. So first, what is my requirement? Create a data type, vehicle coverage with properties, or coverage code, coverage short description, coverage long description. Coverage code should be unique, no? Otherwise, code should be unique. If I select for first code, this is applicable for this. This is for this. This is for this. Okay, it should not be collide. Okay, like that. Okay, how to create data class? You know, right? I think you already know it. Click on data. Oh, I'm in App Studio. Okay, we'll do in Dev Studio. If we do from App Studio, this table will automatically create. That's the problem with App Studio. Not problem. That is the advantage actually. If we use App Studio, we no need to create tables manually. It will create by Pega itself. The This is the policy details we created by using App Studio. Did you remember this thing? That's why the database is already created for it. Okay, we can see from definition, but okay, I'll show you. If you want, I'll show you. Right click, view definition. This is a concrete class mapped with the table. Click on test connection. You can see the table mapped with data PR, RPAS implement data policy in customer data, like that. This is the table name, okay, that we can see in PG admin. I'll show you that thing as well, don't worry. Okay, this table is mapping to that, data class is mapping to this table. Okay, because we created in App Studio, so database is created by Pega. Where is my document? What is that PR and all? I will tell you. PR is for data object tables. PR4 is for rule set tables. PC is for work object table. Okay. Okay. Okay, let it be. I'll create one table now. This we created by App Studio, so by default the database is created by Pega. So now I'm creating by I have Dev Studio. So data type, add data type, label. I'll copy paste from here. Okay, submit it. A spelling mistake, right? We cannot change it now. Let it be. We cannot change, I think. It's loading. We need to add the fields. That's why I'm on this page. Okay. Okay. Add fields. What are the fields? Coverage code as a primary key. Okay. That's it, I think. Three only I asked you, right? Okay. Three things are created. I'll save it. Now my data class will create. It's taking time. It's fine. Okay. See, the data class is created with the properties, I think. These are the properties. Okay. We can go App Studio and see that. Vehicle coverage, right? This is my data class. This is a concrete class created. Okay. We can see the definition from here. Test connection. It is mapped to PR history something. So PR is for class rep. I already shown you. Okay. PR is means data object tables. Okay. We created data object. So it's mapped with PR. Some table it is mapped, but I want to create a, sorry. I want to create a new table here. Okay, for that, what we will do, I'll show you now. Okay, open. Once again, I'll refresh. I'll open Dev Studio. Why the properties are not created here? What is this class? Okay, I'll go to data types. Properties are there, but why it's not showing here? The class created, but no properties. Maybe I'll restart my system and we'll see. Okay, now it's coming. I just refreshed it, it's coming now. Okay, here data model properties are created here. Okay, so I'll go to records tab. Before that, I can show you the definition. Okay, yeah, I already shown you, I think. A definition, it's a concrete class, test connection, the table mapped with PR other in Pega. Okay, so it's mapped with some other class because we did not create any table. If we created by App Studio, then it would have created physical table, but we created by Dev Studio, so we need to create one physical table. But before creating any table, Pega by default it will store into PR others in Pega data. Okay, okay, this is not important thing, but after that, after creating our table, it will change. That's why, that's just to note it. Okay, okay, okay. Go to records, configure source, click on configure source. It's loading, let it load. Whether my PC admin opened or not, even it's not opened. Data, under tables, that PR other table are there, no? I'll show you. This and all will be there in this table. Okay, let it be. Our table will store in different place now after creating it. Okay. Oh, these update time, these are the OOTB properties as it is PX. Okay. So these are our three properties. I asked you to make coverage code as primary key. So I'm selecting this one. Okay. Selecting this, and if we want to rearrange it, we can rearrange it very well. Okay, I'll show that as well. Okay. From here also you can rearrange it. I want this as first. Okay, it's not going. Okay, submit it. We'll see. From edit option we can do that. Oh, it's already gone on top. Okay. From edit option also we can do. Okay. Let it load. I think my Wi-Fi is connected to second floor or what. Yes, it's connected to second floor. That's why it's lagging. Okay. I make it as a primary key. Okay. Close it. Now this is my primary key as it is mentioned. Okay. I want short description first, long description later. Okay, I'll rearrange it very well by using edit option. I think here actions, edit columns. Okay, we can click on edit columns. Okay, from here I want short description as second. Just move it, submit it. Okay, that before screen only will open. Okay, don't worry. Hmm. So I want to create one. I want to add the data. Now it is columns, right? I want to add the data, add records. First I need data, right? For that only. Okay, for generating the data, we can add records. Okay, first we can enter the data, then click on add record, add record, add record. I need data first. Okay, what kind of data? So I have generated my data. So if I want to add this data, okay, I'll show you. I'll go here. Okay, maybe it will not take. Yes, it's not taking. Okay, first I'll copy this. How many times I'll do? So that's why I have alternate method. Okay, coverage code and short description. I'm using chat GPT. Okay, yeah, to generate data I have used chat GPT like this, then add record, it will come. Okay, but how many times I will do? 30 10 records means 10 into 3 thrice. I need 30 times I need to copy and paste here, or until 60 times work. So do I need to do that? No, definitely not. So what I will do, simply I will store this data onto Excel file. Okay, I'll simply copy this data, copy table. I'll open my Excel. I'll save the data here. నేను మెచ్చి నీ కోసం వచ్చానులే. Okay, data looks good, right? Okay, now I'm going to upload this data. How to upload? Okay, how to upload the data? Go here, no, here. First, click on export. Then it will give you one file. Download it and save it. Okay, export. One file is downloading. See, CSV file will download. Just open it and save it. Okay. I don't want to save it here. Instead, I'll choose my own file, okay, for accessing easily. I have created my file. Where is it? Did he deleted or what? This one. I'll save here, okay, for easy access purpose. So the file which is downloaded from here, that CSV file, by clicking on export, will have more columns, okay, but I want these three columns only. Remaining columns I'm going to delete it, okay. I don't want these things. Delete. Okay, coverage code. Okay, I'm not the master of this Excel. Okay, just okay. Coverage short description. Okay, all right. So the data which I already have will copy paste there. Okay, Control A. Maybe it will work. Okay, Control A, Control C will work now. Okay, now I click on somewhere. Control A, Control V. I have copy pasted the data. Only CSV file it will take. That's why I'm downloading and uploading. Okay. Now save it. Okay, don't forget to save. Where is the save option? File, save. Okay, it saved the data. So I'll upload the data now. How to upload it? I'll go to import, import, choose file. You know, right? Choose file. Click on choose file. Where is it? This is on GDITS. Where is this? The Pega GDITS. Okay. The file is here. Oh, Excel file. This one. Okay. Open. Okay. The file format other than CSV is not supported. We are updating CSV file only. That's why we downloaded the CSV file. Okay, that's it. Next, click on next. Your operator ID has allow rule checkout enabled. This will impact performance during import. Okay, let it be. Okay, save it. Now, what I will do here is now it's changed. Earlier it was other, but now PR history RPAS something something. It's mapped to some other table. Okay, this is how it will work. Okay, so. Read it all. We can check from here, but before that, let me refresh it. Refresh data tables. What is the table name? Let me save it and close all here. It's irritating. Oh, it's not giving refresh option. Okay, we'll see. See, this is mapped to a table data dot pr dot rpas. So this table will open now. What is the table name? Actually, here that icon should come. I don't know why it's not coming. Maybe after logout and login, maybe it will work. We'll see. But the table name is clearly showing. Where is the test connection? Okay, I clicked on test connection. PR slash RPAS slash RPAS IMPL slash data slash vehicle customer data vehicle in customer data. Okay, what is this? View. Oh, data is not updated. Oh, I need to update the data. Okay, let me do it again. Go to records, import, choose file. From here, there is an Excel file. Okay, open. Let me give manual data. We'll see. Save it. Now I will open the database. It should come now. Refresh. That's fine. Now it's coming. Maybe it's not taking Excel file. I need to do something. But if we are giving manual data, it's taking. Okay. Okay. This is how we need to create a physical table. Okay. Maybe now it will show logo as well. Okay. Let me see. Anyways, it's not coming. It's fine. Refresh. Alright. I'm unable to switch the studio. It's keep on loading. Network issue occurred. నేను మెచ్చి నీ కోసం వచ్చానులే కడదాకా నిన్నింకా మిడి Hmm. I'll click. I'll click on Dev Studio. Okay. Okay. I'll close all. Where is my data type? See, the database is created now. For uploading file is having some issues. Okay. I'll troubleshoot it and I'll resolve it. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. Bye bye. Signing off, Rajesh Balaka. Okay. We'll try now. Earlier I have used save as option, so it's saved in Excel file format. So we want in CSV file. Maybe I'll try it now. If it is not working, we'll see. Okay, I'll import it. Choose file from. Maybe it's in downloads now. This is the file I think. Yeah, it's taking now. Earlier it was Excel file. That's why not taking. CS. It should be saved with the extension .csv. Hmm. Click on next. Import. Now it will import. It will import now. Okay, file imported. Finish it. Done it. Save it. Oh. Now go to PC admin. Rerun it. Now our table will come. We have resolved the issue. Thank you. Bye bye. Signing off.